Hey engineering enthusiasts! I'm Vic, and today I have something truly exciting to share with you. If you're passionate about mechanical engineering, like I am, you're going to love this. Meet Mechanical Engineer Master, the latest AI GPT from QuantumMind AI. It's not just another tool. It's like having a knowledgeable friend in the field. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just an enthusiast, this AI is designed to assist and elevate your mechanical engineering skills. What makes Mechanical Engineer Master stand out? Let's dive in. First, its adaptability. It can assist with a wide range of topics, from thermodynamics to robotics. Second, it's user-friendly. You don't need to be a tech wizard to use it. And lastly, its interactivity. It's like having a conversation with an expert who understands your needs. So, how can you get access to this incredible tool? Mechanical Engineer Master is available for all ChatGPT Plus subscribers. Just select the Mechanical Engineer Master link on our website, and you're set. Not a subscriber yet? No worries. I'd love to hear what mechanical engineering challenges you're facing. Drop a comment below, and we might just tackle your query in our upcoming videos. Stay curious and keep exploring the fascinating world of mechanical engineering. Subscribe for more content, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you're as excited about Mechanical Engineer Master as I am. Visit our website to learn more, QuantumMindAILLC.com. See you next time.